Hello and welcome to How To For You. Today I'm going to show you how to program this Chamberlain wireless remote to a LiftMaster garage door opener. You're just going to want to follow these simple steps in order to get it done. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your wireless remote and the clip that it comes with, and you're going to want to hit this button here on the back. And you're going to want to hold that, and now there is a light that's on the front of the control. And since this garage door opener has a yellow wire for the wireless remote and it's a yellow button, I'll put a picture here in the screen of what we're looking at. We're going to want to press our button that we choose one time. So this is yellow, so we do one, and I'm going to press this once. And then that light flashes. We're then next going to press any other button other than the one we just pressed, and then that button should go off. So I pressed a second button. We're then going to come to our garage door opener and take off the cover here. We are going to want to press the learn button, so that is the yellow one. So as you can see, that LED light has been indicated and it's on. We're then going to go back to our remote and we're going to press that button that we had. Now the light has flashed, and then we hit our button one more time. And now, as you can see, our garage door wireless remote works. And I also just wanted to make one more quick, really important announcement here. So if for some reason, when you press either the remote button for it to close and you press this, and it won't close, but you found that you've had to hold it all the way in order for it to close, just like press it down, there's a problem on the alignment of the laser. So it's really important because I just fixed it, but I wanted to show you that there are on either side here, there are openings where the laser communicates back and forth. So as you can see, when there's something in front of it, it's gonna not be green, and when it's perfectly clear, it's green. So what had happened for mine is my laser was not only dirty, but it was actually pointing down and a little bit off. So what happens is you do have to make sure you shimmy both of them, clean them, and that way you can hit your remote and it'll open, and then hit your remote again to make sure that it goes all the way down. And you might want to test it a few times just to make sure that it's actually doing it right. So there you go. Also, something else I did want to mention, so originally what had happened was this garage door opener came with this remote control. This is for the 895A Max. Now the batteries were old. I put some new batteries in there, but I followed the step-by-step instructions, and for some reason this remote control just would not work. So if that happens, I would suggest getting a new remote control and starting over from the beginning and repeating these steps. But if the original control doesn't work, something in the circuit inside probably had broke, so I would just recommend again getting a new remote control. So here again is how you program your Chamberlain wireless remote for your LiftMaster garage door opener. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.